Millennials set to inherit about $68 trillion. That's with a T in wealth from baby boomers. Yet new research showing the younger generation may not be as interested in the same financial advice as their parents. Sharon Epperson joins us now with more on what millennials want in a financial advisor. Good morning.
Good morning, Andrew. You know, a new survey finds about 40% of millennials say they're not preparing financially for retirement and admit that their financial planning in that area could be better. Yet only 21% say they're getting most of their advice from a financial advisor. The National Association of Personal Financial Advisors' latest consumer survey finds that 62% of millennials get their advice online or from social media. 67% have acted on that advice, and 71% cite YouTube as the top app for receiving financial advice and discussing financial planning. Now, millennials may not be that interested in meeting an advisor in an office, a golf course, or over steak dinner, but when it comes to more complex financial planning, research also shows that millennials want to talk to someone.
One of the things that's interesting is the way that they're finding people. They're more likely to find a financial advisor through digital channels, and they're also more likely to relate to a financial advisor who has a strong social media presence.
Now, robo-advisors, digital tools, those may work for answers to simple questions, but Stacey Watson says what millennials want is a human advisor for more in-depth strategies. We're going to talk a lot more about millennial investors, about overall market opportunities and trends, and a lot more at the CNBC Financial Advisor Summit. That begins at 10 a.m. Eastern Time today, and to register, you can go to cnbcevents.com/FA Summit. Andrew.
Hey, so hold on. How do millennials, therefore, prefer to interact with their advisors, which is to say, how does it differ from their parents? I mean, I think my parents still use the telephone, but is this like a texting situation? What are we talking about?
Well, they do a lot of virtual calls with advisors, and they do want to see them on social media. They may not do their financial planning over social media, but they want to see that they're engaged. They want to have a partner. What Fidelity Stacey Watson says is they don't want someone to dictate what they should do. Instead, they're looking for someone who's going to think through the goals with them. So they want to sit on the same side of the table as advisor to address the short and long-term concerns. And those concerns are from student debt to building emergency savings. Those are their primary goals right now, more important priorities perhaps than preparing for retirement right now.
And then the second question is, you know, millennials obviously need to prepare financially for retirement now. And the question is, how are they saving?
Now, the majority are preparing for retirement, though, but to do it, about a quarter say they're investing in cryptocurrencies, and that's according to the NAPFA survey. Many more, though, about 40%, are stashing money away in a workplace retirement savings plan. 24% are putting money into an IRA. And Stacey Watson over Fidelity says that a recent study that they had found that in 2022, the majority of millennials said they plan to increase their retirement plan contributions. And, of course, you can put away $1,000 more in your 401k next year. The contribution limit will be $20,500 in 2022.